Okay, so this is it really so strange? The Smiths, really pretty straightforward song. What's cool about it is it has like a little bit of a country rockabilly kind of feel to it. So it's in E, and so that's the first. It's the opening part where it's just E and then A, and that's the turnaround for the verse. The A. And so and it can be played up higher too, which I'll get to. So then when it goes into the chorus part, that's really C sharp, G sharp minor, F sharp minor to a B, and then back to the riff, and then does that little. And you can hear other little things in the background, but when it finishes it's that walk down B flat A, and it returns. But you'll hear on other parts when it finishes that chorus part, it goes. So it's really a D shape right here. It's the same as playing it down here. So D, A, D, and it's just that walk up to the E. And that's pretty much the whole song. Now you can capo this and you can play, because you can hear some higher guitar parts as well. So you can figure and then you can do that whole thing. So we just have to reshape the chords, which is sort of an A minor shape, E minor shape, and a D minor shape, but it's really C sharp, and then the G sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then the B. And that's the way you can kind of improvise over it.